Hello, I'm in a 2011 Mazda CX-9, and today I'm going to show you how to change the language voice settings. So the display, if it looks similar to this, with a dash like this, then this tutorial should help. It'll be say if you want to change from English to Spanish or French. So I'll start it up and try to let it go through all the menu settings so you can hear what it sounds like in English. However, you should be able to just jump straight to what you need when you get to the help settings just by saying something like set up English, or set up French, or set up Spanish, or set up language, and then it should list off the languages. But anyways, we'll get it started here. You should be able to start by either putting in the on position or turning the vehicle all the way on. And then it should be the same if you've got one of the push starts here. So it just takes a few seconds, and then these commands should access the voice settings for you. You'll see it say listening.
There are no phones paired. Would you like to pair a phone now?
No. Set up language.
Select a language: English, French, or Spanish.
Spanish.
Spanish selected. Is this correct?
Español seleccionado. ¿Es correcto?
Yes.
Por favor, espere unos instantes mientras cambiamos su agenda a español. Español seleccionado. Regresando al menú principal.
Help.
Puede realizar llamadas diciendo llamar, marcar o volver a marcar.
When you push this originally, if you say help when it's on the listening screen, then it should give you a full list of other options as well in these voice commands. But yeah, obviously I have it set to Spanish now if you can still hear it. I'm going to change it back to English because obviously I speak English. English.
¿Desea cambiar el idioma a inglés?
Would you like to change the language to English?
Yes.
Please wait. Switching to English phone book.
But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful.
Returning to main menu.
I'd appreciate a like and subscribe if able. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day.